Hello and good morning to all my dear students. You all are welcome to this video subject session of SS where we were discussing the chapter number 6, which was the world after 1945. So students, let's start today's topic with a new India's relation with the other countries. Let's discuss what is India's relation and how India has maintained relations with the foreign countries. So it starts with the relationship between the India and United States. Both India and United States are democratic countries. We know that India and United States both are democratic countries. The head of India is known as Prime Minister, whereas the head of the United States is known as the President. These two are the governments, and in both the countries, the people have the ultimate authority to choose the leader to run their nation. And apart from having lot of similarities, there has been lots of ups and downs in the relationship also. Now, America lies in the United States lies in the North American continent, whereas India lies in the Asian continent. Now, despite having good relations, there has been a lots of ups and downs in the history. In the past, we can say that both the countries were having most of the times good and most of the times were in against of each other. The United States does not like India's role of not joining any power bloc and not accepting non-aligned policy after its independence. We know that India is a country which loves the peace every time, and due to it, America does not like it. Because India does not join any of the power bloc, even after independence, India does not sign any of the treaty to use the nuclear weapons, and America disliked it. And further, they hoped that India would join them, but India joined non-aligned movement for its economic growth. Whereas India's policy, especially the economic policy, says that the peace should be there in the nation, whereas the security should follow the peace. And due to it, India has joined the non-aligned movement for its economic growth. Further, they hoped that India would join them. With the non-aligned movement for its economic growth, there is another reason that amicable relation between United States and India could not grow. Now, there are some of other reasons also the relation between the United States and India does not grow, and that is United States policy of favoring the Pakistan. And whenever there is any kind of the issue, there is any kind of the conflict between India and Pakistan, United States always follows and always favors the Pakistan in their policy. They supported Pakistan in the case of Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan had joined US-led power and military bloc. Now, whereas Russia is favoring to India, at the same time, the another superpower of the world, United States, always it's favoring to the Pakistan nation, whether it's the thing or whether it's a matter of discussion of Jammu and Kashmir issue. Because Pakistan has joined US-led power and military bloc, and that is the simple reason behind that United States always favor the Pakistan nation. Treaties regarding nuclear weapons have become one of the most important points of disagreement between India and United States. And there are another reasons also which says that there are some of the treaties which are related to the nuclear weapons and have become one of the most important points of disagreement between India and Pakistan, India and United States. As we have discussed, India loves every time the peace. It does not sign any of the treaties whether to use the armaments or nuclear weapons, and that is the simple reason behind that United States does not have good relations with India in the past. United States had persisted India could sign the Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty and Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty when India conducted nuclear tests in Pokhran in Rajasthan in 1998. It was taken seriously and certain sanctions were imposed against India as US added financially and technically. And one of the simple reasons behind both the relations, amicable relations, I can say that it's that when India had conducted one of the nuclear tests in the Pokhran in Rajasthan in the past, now in the world the countries were agreed on a platform named as the United Nations that nobody would use the nuclear weapons, but India has used the nuclear weapons, and based on this policy, we can say that certain sanctions were imposed against India. as it has added US added financially and technically. There is remarkable change in relations between both countries after terrorist attack on New York's World Trade Center on September 11, 2001. And the simple reason behind that is that we have discussed in the class also, when one of the attack was done on New York's World Trade Center on September 11, 2001, the US is now accepting the fact that India is growing economically very fast. And US had agreed the fact that India is now growing fast in the world. It is considered to be a developing nation. And both the countries wish that there should be intimate relationship with each other. And both the countries would wish that there should be a close relation and intimate relations between both the countries. In September 2014-15, India's Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi visited America and even addressed the United Nations. And so it was the year 2014-15, India's Prime Minister, when he visited to United States and addressed the United Nations. American President Barack Obama was the first American president to be the chief guest for the India's 66th Republic Day celebration. And American president was also one of them who visited on India's 66th Republic Day in India. And that is a history evidence that in the past, both the countries couldn't have these much close relations when Prime Minister of India and President of America Obama visited both their countries. And we can say that now, whatever it may happen in the past or history, now both the countries have moved forward behind these, and they are having a strong and good relations between them. In this way, America and India now have a cordial and amicable relation. And now we can say that America and India both have a cordial relation between each other, and the issues of terrorism are concerns of the heads of the country, and issues of terrorism is also a matter of concern for both the countries. So students, this is how India's relations are there with the United Nations. In the next one of the session, we'll discuss India's relations with other foreign countries. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day to all.